Hi, my name is Luke. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and this is my video on for my week 3 assignment on the use of submixes and parallel effects in the DAW. I've got a project here. It's a remix of a Book of Shade track. I'd love to play it for you, but I've had huge dramas trying to get my voice and the audio from the project to work together, and it just I can't do it, so you can't hear it. Sorry, but here's the project, and we're just going to dive straight in. So we'll go to the mixer window, and we'll see that there are a whole bunch of tracks here, and these are all channel strips. And right down the end here, there are a number of yellow channel strips that indicate auxiliary channels, and there's bus 1 through to bus 5. So I've created an auxiliary channel strip by going in here, create new auxiliary channel strip. Then I've assigned it a bus, and bus 1 through to 5, and then I've also named them. And you can see there's already effects in here, and I've named them quite clearly. So there's a couple of verbs, a delay, another reverb, and a drum bus. We'll talk about the drum bus first. The drum bus is a submix within my project, and the drum bus is bus 4. And if we go back over here, we'll see in the I/O pane there's a number of tracks that, rather than being assigned as the main out, they've been assigned to the 4th bus, which is the drum bus, and they're mostly groove elements. And so I've done this for a number of reasons. The first reason is that I can group them together, and when they're grouped together, I can use the one fader to change the volume of all of these tracks. And it's quite handy. It makes it mixing a lot simpler. I've also got a compressor here, so I can compress all of those channels all at the one time. Well, all of the signal coming from those channels all at the one time. And then that bus is then routed to the main out. So basically all those channels, the entire signal is coming into bus 4 and then going back to the main out after it's been compressed and after it's been the volume has been affected. So that's the submix. These channels here are effects sends, and you'll see over here in the sends pane there's a number that have been set up to. So what's happening here is a portion of the signal. This signal is being sent to the those buses, and the amount is determined by this little amount here. I can drag that up or down. And because they're blue in Logic, that means they're post-fader sends. If they were green, that would indicate that they're pre-fader sends. And being a post-fader send means that when I adjust this fader here, it also will adjust the amount of signal sent to the bus. So if it was a pre-fader send, the amount of signal would be sent independent of the fader. So a portion of the signal is sent to these buses, and in doing that, I'm able to apply the same effect to a number of channels, a number of signals, all at the one time. It makes it really easy to apply the same effect to a number of channels and give the track an overall feel that you want. It helps to draw it all together and help different elements work together better. And I can also adjust the amount of reverb that's coming through in the overall mix there through the use of these faders. So you'll see on these tracks that there's still being sent to the stereo out, so there's still some dry signal, or what would be closer to dry, being sent to the main output, but then there's also some signal being sent to those effects sends, and that's how parallel effect processing can be used. Sorry I couldn't show you my track. I would have loved to, but maybe another time. But thanks for listening, and hope you've enjoyed my assignment for week 3, and good luck for the rest of the course. Thanks.